Hi, myself Suraj Yadav. Today we are talking about the difference between abstraction and interfaces. Firstly, we're talking about what is the interface. An interface is the blueprint that can have be used to implement the class. The interface does not contain any concrete methods. All the method of the interfaces are abstract method. An interface cannot be initiated. However, the class that implement interfaces can be initiated. Interfaces never contain instant variables, but they can contain public static final variables. Now we're talking about what is the abstract class. A class which has the abstract keyword in the declaration is called abstract class. The abstract class should have the at least one abstract method, that is method without a body. It can have multiple concrete method. Abstract class allow you to create a blueprint for concrete classes, but the inheriting class should not implement the abstract method. Abstract class and in interface both are used to achieve abstraction, where we can declare the abstract method. Abstract class and in interfaces both are can be initiated. As we know that abstraction refers to hiding the internal implementation of the features and only showing the functionality to the users. That is what is works, how it is works. Both abstract class and interfaces are used to abstraction. Henceforth, interfaces and abstract class are required per sequent abstraction class versus interfaces. Now we're talking about type of the methods. Means the difference. Interface can have only abstract method, and abstract class can have abstract and non-abstract method. From Java, it can have default and static method also. Now we're talking about final variables, means difference. The variables declared in the Java interface are by default final. An abstract class may contain non-final variables. Uh, Non-contain variables. Now we're talking about variables. Abstract class can have final and non-final and non-static variables. The interface is only static and final variables. Now we're talking about implementation. The application can provide the implementation of the interfaces. The interface can provide the implementation of the abstract class. Uh, Abstraction. A Java interface can implement using the keyword implements, and an abstract class can extended using the keyword extend. Multiple implementation, and an interface can extend another Java interface. Only an abstract class can extend another Java class and implement multiple Java interfaces. The accessibility of the data members, the members of the Java interface are public by default. A Java abstract class can have class members like private, protected, etc. And now we're talking about when to use the what means how when we use abstraction or interface. Consider the using the abstract classes. If you this statement apply the situation in Java application, there are some related classes that need to share the some lines of the code. Then you can put these lines of the code with the abstract class, and the abstract classes should be extended by all these related classes. You can define the non-static or non-final fields in the abstract classes, so that via a method you can assess and modify the state of the object to which they are belong. You can expect that classes that extend an abstract class you have many common methods or fields or require access modifiers other than public. Considering using interfaces, if any of these treatment apply to any your situation, it is a total abstraction. All the methods declared within interface must be implemented by classes that implements the interfaces. a classes can implements more than one interface. It can be multiple in inheritance. This is the difference between the abstraction in interfaces. Thank you so much.